Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I've been teaching you guys for some time now how to make forex robots for free without paying anybody, without any programming whatsoever. Watch the videos on this channel. So somebody asked me the other day an interesting question. So how do you sell forex trading robots? How would you sell forex trading robots? So in this video I'm just going to talk about how you could go about selling your forex robot. After you've watched my videos on creating the forex robots and you feel that you want to sell your forex robot, you believe that it's a very good forex trading robot, this video is just a guide on how you would go about selling it. So let's start with the basics. Let's start with the basics. The first thing before you start thinking about selling your forex trading robot, unless you're going to be a scammy or whatever, things that people are doing out there, the first thing that you probably want to do as a responsible person is to develop a high quality product. Unless you're going to be scammy and whatever that people are doing out there, which is not sustainable in the long term, because people one way or the other are going to figure out that you have scammed them, and people are not going to come and buy from you because people know you that you scam people. So what you want to do is focus on developing a high quality product, which means basically once you have created your robot, again, watch the videos on this channel, you need to test it and test it and test it and make sure that you know the conditions of the market that the robot is going to perform, and that you have generated verifiable results from the robot, which you can also use as a selling point from that robust testing of that robot. So once you are satisfied that you've got a very high quality product on your hands, you can move to the second step, which is just making sure that you are complying with legal and regulatory requirements. For example, if your robot is going to be capturing people's information, you need to make sure that you are protecting the user's information. Otherwise you'll be sued when the user's information is now suddenly splashed all over the internet. And also disclaimers and warnings is what some people actually ignore. You need to make sure that you tell people that past performance does not guarantee future results. It's very important if you are going to be selling people these trading tools and trading robots, because you need to also protect yourself legally. Otherwise you'll be sued by promising people returns that they end up not getting. Maybe the robot would have performed well in the past, but market conditions have changed. Now the robot suddenly cannot perform. So you need to protect yourself and have these disclaimers and warnings as you are selling this robot as well. Then now from there you need to choose basically a business model. You can see what these guys who are selling their forex robots are also doing. Sometimes they follow this model where it's called one-time purchase. So what it means is you charge a once-off fee, one-time fees for the customer to download the robot and use it. Once they buy it, once they download it and use it, they might actually get updates here and there, but it's a one-time fee. Then I've seen some people who are doing a subscription model where they actually charge users a recurring fee, like monthly, or even every 12 months, or even maybe every 6 months, so that if the person still wants to continue having access to that forex robot, they need to continue paying the developer of that robot. So which is the advantage of that model is I don't know if you can hear it on my mic, but somebody just decided to make some noise outside. But anyway, so the model makes sure that the developer of that system, that robot, actually gets consistent income from that robot. That's why they would use the subscription model, where they tell you subscribe to this robot, so you pay subscription fee every month, every 6 months, or every 12 months. Then there is what's called a freemium model, where people basically offer a basic version of the robot for free, but make the advanced features available for payment. It's called a freemium model. So what you can do, it's also useful in marketing, so that people can actually trade with the robot. If they like it, then they can come back and buy the advanced features robot, maybe at a bigger sum. So what you can do is, one way you can limit the number of pairs the robot can trade for the free version. I've seen some people limit to only 1 pair for the free version. Then if you want to trade all the other pairs, then you need to buy the robot. Some people also offer the robot, and it can only trade demo accounts. If you want the robot to trade real accounts, you need to buy it. So that's what people do at times. And I've seen some people who have attempted to also license their forex robots to brokers, hedge funds, but that's a story for another day. Then you also want to automate this selling system. I've seen people who create websites. You create a website, a store basically for that robot, so that people can go straight to your website and they can buy the robot from the website. You also need to create like detailed descriptions, features, strategies, platforms, like a manual for this robot. That's what you can also do to help sell this robot. You need to create manuals, so that your users know what to do, what not to do when they're using the robot, and people don't come back to you complaining that the robot is not working or it's doing the wrong thing, because they didn't understand what you were telling them. But if they've got a manual, they can read through the manual. You can also do videos. You can do videos. They can go to the videos and they can go and refer to the videos. Why is the robot not doing this or doing that instead of this, and stuff like that, which also minimizes the time you have to receive calls, answer emails, and stuff like that. Then you also need to come up with testimonials. They do well in selling any product or service. You need people to say, who can vouch for you. If people have used the robot and they found it useful, then you can collect all those, and you can also use them to give yourself social proof that this thing actually works. And the popular thing that we've seen people doing is also using social media. We know people are obviously on Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram, TikTok, showcasing the power of their robots. You also cannot sell anything nowadays without social media, so you actually also need to get into this social media game and promote that robot as much as you can. And you can also actually do affiliate marketing. Basically, you can go to platforms like Digistore 24, and you can actually place your robot there, and you can invite affiliates, people to market the robot on your behalf. Of course, you just pay them a little commission for every sale of the robot that they bring you. So that's another way of selling the robot. You can create an affiliate marketing program for people who can sell your robot on your behalf. And also build a community. You can go onto Telegram, you can go onto Facebook groups, you can build a community around that robot, which means now you can actually have people, eager customers, who are always around to see how they can buy the robot, how to use it, how to test it, and who can vouch for you if you have a high quality product that you are selling. Then you also need to look at the price strategy, of course. Look at how people are selling a similar product. How are people selling a similar product? And you also look at like limited time discounts, launch discounts, free trials, promotional deals to attract new customers, and things like that. It also helps to sell your forex robot. And another major thing that you probably want to do to basically blow the competition out of the water is build trust and transparency with your forex robot. If you've been testing your robot and it's just been performing and things like that, you need to show like verifiable data on websites like MyFXBook, FX Blue, or other verified broker statements to show people that this thing actually makes money. It works. Buy this thing. It works. So you need to build trust and transparency with. We've seen all those people that have been scamming people, selling them fake robots and fake systems, fake indicators and stuff like that. You don't want to be that person if you want to do this long term. So you need to build verifiable results, show verifiable results and verifiable performance data of your robot. Then in terms of platforms, you probably are going to sell it on the MetaTrader market. You can sell it on TradingView or Ninja Trader ecosystem, depending on the kind of robot that you are selling. And also nowadays people are making robots for mobile phones. What do you know? So you can also sell your robot on the App Store or on the Google Play Store and stuff like that. Or you can actually email people the robot and stuff like that. So that's how you can sell your forex robot. Yeah, after you've created, you've watched my videos and you are confident that your robot is a very good robot and you're thinking, how can I sell this robot? That's some of the steps that you can take to sell your robot. Good luck with that. See you in the next video.